Guys, hello people, welcome back. Today I'm trading live. I'm trading live on this account. As you can see, I have live trades running right now, and as you can see, it's a smaller position on volatility 50 index. Okay guys, I'm going to explain everything to you, why I entered this position, where are my TP, and where will I put my stop loss. And if you like this type of videos, before we go further, make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, so you can see right now I'm on a 4-minute time frame, and this 4-minute time frame, we can if we look left, we see we are at a significant place of the price. Why did I call this as a significant place? Significant place because it was also seen as an order block, and also as a resistance and a support at the same time. This zone is very much important, and is where the price is right now. As you can see, the price is at this zone, and it's up to us guys, it's up to us to make a decision if we are to trade here or not. But I've already made a decision to enter a buy position. So you can see guys, this is our first confirmation that we are on a demand zone, okay, and also a support and also a resistance zone, okay. And as you can see right now, here somewhere here, it looks really beautiful. So I'm going back to a smaller time frame, and this time frame gonna be something like 30-minute time frame, okay. And let me delete this. Okay, so you can see the price came here, okay, the price came here, the price came down here, making our lower low here. Then it starts shooting up a bit, came back to retest here, again back to retest here, and it shot up. Okay, I ended my first position here about 4 hours ago. Then it came back, and I have to re-enter my position for sure more profits. Okay, so you can see guys, and if I'm to look again for another confirmation, let me check if I can see something, on a Awesome Oscillator. Okay, this is beautiful guys. An Awesome Oscillator is showing us that it's a divergency. Okay, why am I saying a divergency? Let me just pull it a bit high guys, so you can see this oscillator here. Okay, as you can see, the price was making lower lows. It was a downtrend on a 30-minute time frame, but here on here down on the Awesome Oscillator, it's making high highs. The price is going up, meaning we call this is a divergency, and a divergency is a sign of market reversal. The market is going up from there. Okay, that's what you should understand. It's another second confluence, a second confirmation that I got that the market is about reversing. And also, if I'm to check again, very nice, I can see something like a Quasimodo here. Okay guys, if you don't know what's a Quasimodo, just comment down there so I make more video explaining what the Quasimodo is. As you can see, the price here was making low, and the price started making a high. Okay, so we call this a Quasimodo, and we are going to buy if the market come down from our left shoulder here until the shadow here. This is our buy area. If the market come down here, giving us a nice sign to buy, then obviously we're gonna buy the market as we did just right now, and we bought it here. Okay guys, we bought it here, and my second confirmation came back again, so I re-entered these positions here. So you can see the market is doing really beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, I'll put more video on this channel teaching you how to trade, the best strategies for you to trade and make money trading, guys. Make sure that you subscribe and also turn on the bell icon, and make sure that you thumb up this video and give us the comment, how do you feel, where you came from, so we'll understand, my viewers, where they come from. See you again in the next episode.